Hello and welcome back to our channel, where we talk about all things health and beauty. In today's video, we will be discussing stress and anxiety and how mindfulness can help manage these feelings. Stress and anxiety can be debilitating and affect our daily lives. But practicing mindfulness can help alleviate these feelings and bring a sense of calm to our minds and bodies. First, it's important to understand what mindfulness is. It's the act of being present in the moment, without judgment. This means paying attention to your thoughts, feelings, and surroundings without reacting to them. One way to practice mindfulness is through meditation. Find a quiet place where you can sit comfortably and focus on your breath. Close your eyes and take slow, deep breaths in through your nose and out through your mouth. If your mind starts to wander, gently bring your attention back to your breath. Another way to practice mindfulness is to bring awareness to your daily activities. This can include things like eating, walking, or even washing dishes. Pay attention to the sensations and movements involved in these activities and try to be fully present in the moment. Additionally, exercise can also help manage stress and anxiety. When we exercise, our bodies release endorphins, which can boost our mood and reduce stress levels. Even just taking a short walk or doing some stretches can make a big difference. Lastly, remember to prioritize self-care. This can include things like taking a relaxing bath, reading a book, or spending time with loved ones. Taking care of yourself and allowing yourself to rest and recharge can help reduce stress and promote overall well-being. Our concluding remarks is: managing stress and anxiety can be challenging, but practicing mindfulness can be a powerful tool in reducing these feelings. Remember to take time for yourself, practice mindfulness through meditation and daily activities, and prioritize self-care. Thank you for watching, and we hope you found this video helpful.